Today in your regular math work, we're still using place value to subtract. This is the first page that you're going to see. And this is the first problems that you're going to do. Numbers 1, 2, and 3. It says estimate, then find the difference. I would like you to estimate by rounding to the nearest 10. Rounding to the nearest 10, okay? So, if I'm going to estimate, I need to round these numbers to the nearest 10. So, 427, my 7 tells my 2 to get bigger. That's going to be 430. In 168, my 8 tells my 6 to get bigger. So that's going to be 170. Oh, sorry, we're subtracting. 0 minus 0. Number's the same, zero's the game. 3 minus 7. Uh-oh, more on the floor. Go next door and borrow 10 more. So that's going to become a 3. That becomes 13. 13 minus 7. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh, 6 fingers. Okay, and then 3 minus 1. So my estimate is 260. Now I need to solve the problem. Okay? I highly suggest doing this in your journal, and then make sure you put your numbers for which problem you're doing in your journal so I can see your work, and that way you'll have space. And all you have to do is write in the number at the bottom. Okay, once you find the estimate, pardon me, once you find the estimate, then you're going to do the real problem. So 7 minus 8. Uh-oh. More on the floor. Go next door and borrow 10 more. Let's make that bigger so we can see. So my 2 becomes a 1. My 7 becomes 17. 17 minus 8. Okay, I need to count that out. Put 8 in my head. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I have 9 fingers up. So 17 minus 8 is 9. How about 1 minus 6? Uh-oh. More on the floor. Go next door and borrow 10 more. So my 4 becomes a 3. My 1 becomes 11. So 11 minus 6. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 minus 6 is 5. 3 minus 1 is 2. How close was our estimate? Very close, right? All right, do numbers 2 and 3, please, on your own. For numbers 4, 5, and 6, 4, 5, and 6, you are going to be using this chart. Okay, let me scroll out a little so we can see the whole thing. 4, 5, and 6, you're going to be using the chart, and it is subtraction. Okay, you have your clue words for subtraction. How many more? How many more? How many more? Make sure that you are looking at the information that they're asking you for. For instance, in number 4, how many more black bears than grizzly bears are at Yellowstone? So how many more black bears than grizzly bears? All right. Same thing for 5 and 6. Number 7, it's asking you to explain. So first you need to solve the problem, and then you need to explain if she is correct or incorrect. On number 8, Byron's Math Club wants to sell 500 boxes of granola bars. So far, they have sold 287 boxes. How many more boxes? Look at that, our clue words again. How many more boxes do they need to sell? So, another subtraction problem. On page 2, you have more word problems to look through. Numbers 13 and 14 are multi-step. That means you're going to be adding and subtracting. Make sure you have both steps working for those two problems, okay? Think it through. If you do these in your journal, make sure you put question numbers next to your work so I can see what you are doing. All right, good luck. Don't forget to regroup. Make sure that you're thinking through it and going slow, okay? I can't wait to see your work.